Okay, this is a video just to give a quick understanding of how to construct a swing chart. This program I have, Profit Source, will automatically provide a swing on the chart. So it's basically used to identify a trend of a stock. This is Bathurst Resources, BTU is the code. Basically, I'll just put a swing overlay on this. Now this is calculated by each one of these candles. Whenever two candles exceed another one's high, so 2 days on exceeds 1 day's high, it will move the chart up, and then when it goes 2 days down, it will put it down. You can have a swing on a 1 day, 2 day, weekly, however long you want. Basically, the smaller the time frame, the more swings will be included in the chart, and it can sometimes be, 1 day is good if you're day trading. If you want to find a long-term trend, 2 day, or if you want an even bigger trend, use a weekly chart. So I'll just show you here. So when I say a swing low, it's the bottom here. So it's one of these bottoms. Basically, you can see every low is getting higher and higher and higher and higher, and they continue on. Basically, this is just showing a very strong uptrend on the stock. One thing that you will do in a swing trading environment is you look to see when one of the lows is broken. So if this stock now makes a lower swing top, so a lower swing top will be when this 2 days down from here, it might constitute a trend change. If not, then you just basically say, look, it keeps riding up and higher and higher and higher, it keeps riding the swings higher, so the trend is up. So the first swing, higher swing bottom was there, higher, higher, higher. So it's been in an uptrend since April of 2010, and every single one has been higher. So what you do if you trade this, basically how you would if you'd been a very good entry, and if it was just to take profit, you would just put your stop loss underneath this low, and you just continue to move it higher and higher and higher, and then you are basically exposed to the upside, and there's no reason to take profit until a low is broken. Now I'll just show you another chart on JB Hi-Fi because it's a working example that I traded. Here you can see the first lower swing top, so that is a high, not as high as this, basically was going to constitute possible downtrend. So then you can see, it might be, or just look, this is the same example, broke the swing low, so uptrend up, no, I'll use there, higher swing bottom here, or higher there as well, higher, 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 broken here, so you would be taken out the trade, lower swing top, and now the trend is down, lower swing bottom, lower swing top, lower swing bottom, lower swing, and that continues down until your first higher swing bottom, and then that one broke, but then the trend is resumed to a new way. These are generally only very worthwhile in a strong trending stock if the market is sideways, as in here, so it is harder to identify a trend. Generally it's good to keep you in a trade, and like I mentioned, basically you just move your stops higher. If you see me doing charts talking about swings, that will be what I'm talking about, and you can also do them on a very short term, 1 day, 2 day basis. So basically what I see when I'll draw a chart is I look at these swings of the lows and just basically assume that a trend will continue. If a stock is coming down to a point or it's falling rapidly, generally you think the market will swing higher. So I'll just try something here just to show you so you can see after a big drop there still needs to do a swing up, so that'll be the bounce higher. There's a lot more other complicated things. That's a 5-day swing chart, so a weekly. There's a lot more other things that you can do with a swing chart, and hopefully I'll teach you those as we go along. Hope this was helpful, and hopefully we'll start seeing a few more good uptrend swing charts around.